my channel. This week I am sharing with you my birthday gift from me to me, which I ordered from Canada Nail Supplies, and the package came in today, so I haven't even opened it. You can see it's all sealed. I'm going to open it up with you guys. So for some reason right now my nails are super short. I hate them, and the solution to my problem is in this box. So that's why I am so excited to open it up now. I have here my scissors and my box. Jeez, this thing is super well wrapped. Thank you, Canada Nail Supplies, for protecting my goodies so well. So you have probably heard all over the internet about the Gel X extension, and I got it all for myself. So what Gel X is basically gel extensions that are pre-sculpted. They're gel, they're not plastic, you're not sticking it with glue, so that's amazing. And you can soak them off completely. The brand that it is from is called Après, which means after in French. And I have different tips, they're gel. So yeah, I got the extension kit from Après. And I also got myself, because you know how much I love stamping, the Moira stamping gel polish to be able to stamp and put some foils on it. So I'm super excited about this one. And now let's take a closer look at everything we got in the box.
So here's everything that came in the box, and we'll look at it in details. Now the first thing, which I already mentioned, is the Moira gel stamping polish. I chose it in black, but correct me if I'm wrong, they have it in both black and white. As I said, I'm super excited about this one because I can't wait to play with foils and stamping at the same time. Then for the Gel X kit, I got the pH bonder, the primer. I also got the extend gel to adhere the tips to the nails. Then we have their mini lamp, which you can plug to any USB port. Now the most important part, the tips. You can choose from a bunch of different shapes, and the one I got is the long coffin. And you even get all of these extras to refill your little box of tips.
Now that you have seen the mess I have on my nails, we gotta do something about it. So we are going to try the Gel X extensions right now. It's the first time I'm going to do it. I have never tried it. So you will absolutely get my first impression, 100% honest, and let's jump in.
First of all, let's start with the instructions that they were kind enough to include in my package. Now the first thing that you'll want to do is to check the tips with your nails to make sure that you get the right sizes. Once that is done, you will want to take your e-file to roughen the inside of the tips on the part where your nail will be. Then, once you're done with all the cuticle work, you will want to slightly buff your nail plate. These little buffers I'm using are my favorites, and I take them from BioSeaweed Gel. Then, cleanse with alcohol to make sure there is no dust left. I also like to take another lint-free wipe, but a dry one, to make sure that my nails are really dry before application. Then, the first step is to apply the pH bonder, which will dehydrate your nails. Then comes the primer. And I will take the Extend Gel along with my BioSeaweed Gel sculpting brush and apply a thin coat on my nail. I'll take once again the Extend Gel, but this time I will apply it into the tip. Now let's see if I can do this the next step is to press the tip onto the nail. Now you really want to make sure that you start from the cuticle area up to the tip to make sure that there are no air bubbles under the extension. Right now is the part where it gets a bit tricky when doing it on your own nails, because you need to find a way to hold the tip, and then with your other hand you will grab the mini lamp to pre-cure your extensions. Once that is done, you will want to fully cure your nails in a regular either LED or UV lamp.
Finally done saving my nails, and here's the final result. I have to say I absolutely love the Gel X system. It was super easy to use, super quick, and look at that, like flawless extensions every time. The perfect curve, perfect C curve, it's perfect everything. So if you want my opinion, go get it. I don't know how I did so long without it. I have seen videos and I've been wanting to try it, but I am so happy that I finally got it. But now I think we're missing one thing. What could that be? Oh, I know. I was missing some color, so I took two colors from Bio CV Gel, Peaches and Shimmer, which really, they do an amazing combination. Highly recommend it. And so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked it, and please let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Bye!